Welcome today in front of me Motorola Moto G100, and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first you should go to the settings application, and here just go to the sound section. Now just go to the advanced options and scroll down a little bit to the default notification sound section. Now that's Moto, and we can also change our notification sound to the another one, default sound, or also we can add the notification sound from our Google Drive if you want. For example, I will go in with this one or with the hello and just tap to OK, and as can you see right now, our notification sound has changed successfully to the hello one. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.